1. I told you this is the very important scene for the merchant of Venice. This is called as trial scene, जहाँ पे finally Antonio was taken in front of the Duke for the final judgment, that whether the penalty of paying that pound of flesh is right or being done. Okay. Now I'm directly starting with the scene. Scene 1, Venice. A court of justice enter the Duke, that is judge, the Magnificos, Antonio, Bassanio, Gratiano, Celerio, and others. Duke. What is Antonio here? What is Antonio means well. What here stands for well. Well is Antonio here. Antonio. Ready, so please, your grace. He said, yes, I am ready. In your presence, your grace. I'm already here. Look, yes, your highness, I am ready. Duke. I am sorry for thee. I am sorry for thee means I am sorry for you. Thou art come to answer a stony adversary. Stony adversary is stone-hearted. Thee means you. Thou art come to answer. You have come to answer to a stony advisory. Stony advisory means तुम्हें यहाँ पे लाया गया. You have come here to for a stony heart, stone-hearted, and inhuman wrench. Inhuman wrench means something which is very inhuman, which is means यहाँ पे लोग पैसे रुपए के लिए आते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो पेनाल्टी तुम्हारे पे लगी, that is a pound of flesh which is very inhuman in by nature. So he says, thou art come to answer a stony adversary, and inhuman wrench, incapable of pity means it's full of, it's merciless, it's there is no pity, void and empty from any dram of mercy, which is the penalty which you have to pay. The penalty to whom you have to pay, the person is totally a stone person, is a totally a stone hearted person, and it's whatever is being here is the penalty upon you is totally a dram of mercy means lack of mercy. मीन्स यहाँ पे तुम्हारा जो कोर्स वो पैसे रुपए को लेकर नहीं है, बल्कि एक ऐसे इंसान के बने जो कि बिल्कुल बहुत स्टोनी पर्सन है, very hard by his feelings. Antonio, in response to this, Antonio says, I have heard your grace hath ent great pains to qualify. Your grace means your excellency, you have taken a lot of pain so that I can be freed from this penalty, मुझे बचाया जा सके. To qualify means you have taken harsh pain, you have taken to save me from this. His rigorous course means this court has done all the proceedings, everything to save me from this. But since he stands obdurate means adamant, the person who is very adamant. Who is that person? This is all being reflection towards the Shylock. That it is being told by for the Shylock that Shylock is totally a stone person. He is a stony heart he has, and he's very adamant about his decision. That penalty means more than extra amount from them. Ducats doesn't work. He wants the pound of flesh from him, and that no lawful means can carry me out of this envy reach. And those means nobody can. There is no, I cannot be saved by any of the law from his clutches. Envy reach means from his clutches. I do oppose my patience to his fury means I am patiently ready for the penalty. I am ready to pay the penalty, and I am armed. Armed means I am prepared to suffer with a quietness of spirit. I am silently giving up, and I am without any means quietly I am just agree to the penalty. The very tyranny and rage of his anger, to stay his cruelty and anger. Means Antonio is totally given up. He has given up because he knew that law is after all a law, and if he defays the law, if he did not follow the law, it is just giving up the credibility of the Venetians during the tradition. वहाँ पे जो वहाँ पे transactions होता है, tradition जो वहाँ पे merchant लोग जो अपना trade करते हैं, that is it will not give the credibility. वो उसकी credibility को lose करता है. इसीलिए I have given up for everything and I am ready for it to give up. Anything new to us for this page? No query? Clear? Now, coming up to the Duke. Ashutosh, पूछिए. Please, when I move on to the another page, अपने एक minute Ashutosh, एक minute. It's for everyone. If I am moving from one page to another, if you have any confusion, please immediately raise your hand and clear it out. बोलो Ashutosh.
Meaning of tyranny
Meaning of what?
Tranny.
Tranny means cruelty. The very tranny and rage of his means tranny means of his cruelty and rage of his means its anger. Tranny means cruelty. ठीक है? Okay. Coming towards next, Duke. Go one and call the Jew into the courts. Go, so he said one of you go and call the Jew into the court. Jew is again stands for Shylock. Salario. He is ready at the door. He comes, my lord. And then enters Shylock. Duke. Make room and let him stand before our face. Make room means give him a space so that he could stand in front of us. Shylock, the world thinks, and I think so too, that thou but leadest this fashion of thy malice. Though you can understand the world thinks and I think so, that though but leadest this fashion of thy malice. You can only continue with you show your means you are just showing your cruelty. You continue with your show of cruelty. मतलब जो तुम penalty you're asking to Antonio is just full of, it's all merciless and it's full of cruelty. This what I and public, the entire public thinks of, that though the leadest this fashion of thy malice, malice is you continue with your show of cruelty until the last moment. You say still you are यहाँ तक कहाँ से बात शुरू हुई थी और यहाँ तक आ गई, कोर्ट तक आ गई, still you are adamant and you want your penalty to be paid. You are not ready to get any of these things. Only the pound of flesh you need for it. Malice means the malice means the act of cruelty. To the last hour of act, and then this thought show thy mercy and remorse more strange. And he says that this is a last moment. You can change your mind. You can move out with the cruelty. Means you can have mercy. Still, अभी तुम्हारे पास समय है. You can change your mind, but thou show thy mercy and remorse more strange. And pity which will be more strange. अगर तुम pity करते हो और if you are going to change your mind, it will be much better if you change your before going to the proceedings. Before the law starts, if you change your mind, this will be very strange for all of us for changing your mind. Then is thy strange apparent cruelty, and if you don't, then is thy strange apparent cruelty means appears to be very cruel. Your decisions appears to be very cruel, and where thou now exacts the penalty, and your declaiming means Duke try to emphasize Shylock to change his mind, because he also says him that you change your mind because the penalty which you are asking for from Antonio is something which is very merciless and which is very full of cruelty, which is a pond of poor merchant's flesh. Thou wilt not only lose the 40 feature, but touched with human gentleness and love. ये सिर्फ एक 40 feature नहीं means it's not only the penalty, but ये कहीं ना कहीं but touched with human gentleness, but ये कहीं ना कहीं उस human gentleness के ऊपर and the love forgive a moiety of the principle का मतलब है कि means ओरिजिनल या बोरोड मतलब जो भी तुमने सम लिया, जो भी पैसा तुमने लिया, तुम उसका ओरिजिनल मनी ले लो, उससे डबल ले लो, बट rather than change your mind with the penalty. Means the Duke wants to change in Shylock's state of mind. Glancing an eye of pity on his losers. उस बेचारे को देखो, मतलब क्या देखो, उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. Only his life is left. अगर वो तुम उस मतलब you are just taking for a money, you are taking his life. So glancing an eye of pity on his losers. कम से कम उसने सब कुछ उसका खो गया, मतलब everything is lost with everything. Only the life is left with him. The breathe means आप उसकी सांसें बची है, वो भी तुम ले रहे हो, तो have mercy on him and just leave and change your mind. Glancing in the eye of pity of his losers that have of late so huddled on his back. ठीक है. Now in order to press, I don't think so it is because that have to late so huddled on his back means already he is under pressure. मतलब उसकी जितनी भी ships थी अभी तक ये था कि सारी की ships उसकी loss में है, all have been wrecked. Now उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा, he is totally a bankrupt and still he is left with his life. वो भी तुम उसको ले लोगे, means have some mercy on that person कि बेचारे कहाँ से मतलब उसके साथ क्या क्या हो चुका है, have pity on him. In order to press a royal merchant down and pluck commerization. Commerization means draw pity. Means enough to press a royal merchant. He says that when even the Duke is also in the favor of Antonio because he was a good merchant and he had a good reputation there over. So Duke also just trying to convince Shylock to change his mind from the cruelty state to merciful. Pluck commerization of his state, but the commiseration means draw pity on him और मतलब उसकी हालत पे दया खाओ और उस अपना माइंड चेंज करो. From brassy bosoms and rough hearts of flint. Means brassy bosoms means your heart as brass. Means brass is an element which is very hard. तो कहते हैं कि तुमने अपने heart को बिल्कुल brass means your heart seems to be brass, very hard. And flint means stony hard heart and stony heart. Brass bosoms and रफ हार्ट ऑफ फ्लिंट यानी कि पत्थर का बन तुम एकदम पत्थर के हो तुम्हारा दिल भी बहुत पथरीला है ये बोलता है उसे. फ्रॉम स्टबर्न मतलब अनस्टबर्न हियर अनकल्चर्ड टर्क्स एंड टार्टर्स नेवर ट्रेन मतलब तुम उस तरह से हो. टर्क्स एंड टार्टर मींस देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल इन यूरोप which उनकी रेपुटेशन होती है दे आर वेरी क्रूएल एंड दे आर ब्लड थ्रस्ट. So Turks and Tatars is an example of European. There is a group of people in Europe. It is being said that there is a group of people in Europe which is found to be very cruel and they are bloodthirst. तो तुम कम से कम उन लोगों की तरह behave मत करो. Means you change your mind. Means this is all the entire dialogue being said by Duke the judge so that Shylock changes mind and give pity on him and let's leave the case before the proceedings move further. So here from stubborn Turks and Tatars never trained. Stubborn Turk and Tatar never trained means uncultured group of people who are very bloodthrust and very cruel. To offices of tender courtesy. To act or to offices means to act of tender courtesy means human kindness. So to act as a human kind, behave in a kind of way means you need to be very merciful for Antonio. We all accept a gentle answer, Jew, and everybody is waiting for your answer. You have to be polite and merciful for Antonio, and we all expect a gentle answer, Jew. And they ask for an answer. He asked for an answer from Jew. Now, in response to the Duke asking him, he says, Shylock responds to him, I have possessed your grace of what I purpose. I possess means I have informed you. I've informed you, your highness, what I purpose, what I wanted, what I intend. मेरा intentions क्या मैंने पहले ही बता दिया. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. Instead, I only want the bond of flesh. I have possessed your grace of what I purpose, and by our holy Sabbath have I sworn. Sabbath is a Saturday is said to be a very pious day. मतलब एक जैसे मुस्लिम्स के लिए जिस दिन अजान होती है नमाज होती है तो वो लोग उनका वो दिन बहुत पायस होता है लाइक थर्सडे. तो उसी तरह से यहाँ पे इन लोगों का भी जो जीव का जो होता है एक सैटरडे इज सेड टू बी अ वेरी सैक्रेड डे फ्रॉम देम. उस दिन जो वो प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं उस दिन वो उसको फॉलो करते हैं. तो सैबथ इज देयर सैटरडे द सेवेंथ डे द ओनली द सैटरडे वे ज्यूइश इट्स अ ज्यूइश वीक which is supposed to be very sacred and when sacred means वो holy day होता है उनका और उस दिन वो जो चीज़ की सोच लेते हैं या जो चीज़ की ठान लेते हैं या जो चीज़ का प्रॉमिस करते हैं वो उन्हें पूरा करना ही है. और उसने इस दिन ये प्रॉमिस किया था कि वो एंटोनियो से हर हाल में पाउंड ऑफ फ्लेश लेगा ही लेगा. तो मैं अपने इंटेंशंस पे बिल्कुल इंटेंड हूँ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज माई इंटेंशंस. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज माई एनी ऑफ द पेनालिटी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. So, and by our holy Sabbath have I sworn to have the due and 40 feet of my bond. 40 feet means I want the penalty of my bond. अब मैंने जो कसम खाई है वही मुझे करना है. मुझे वही चाहिए जो मैंने सोचा है. I want. If you deny it, let the danger light. मतलब अगर आप इस बात से इनकार करते हैं मतलब जो मैंने कसम खाई है. Okay, आशुतोष again has to ask. Anybody? I need
the meaning of
meaning of just tell me the line number. Line number now.
27.
Moiety of the principle means here it is said to that the portion means moiety of the principle यानी कि जो तुमने 3,000 ducats जो तुमने लिया था तुम वो principal amount ले लो उससे. and just leave the bond. मतलब ये bond छोड़ दो, तुम पैसे ले लो और leave, because for money taking a flesh is something full of cruelty. So moiety means that principal amount. Forgive a moiety of the principal. मतलब वो amount ले लो and fortify and leave the bond. It is what moiety means.
और मैम for feature मतलब
For feature means penalty. Bond के लिए for feature किया था उसने, that if you are not able to pay the bond, you have to give the bond of flesh. That is forfeiture. Okay. Ayush Shah, unmute yourself. Yes, Ayush. I'm not getting your voice, Ayush. तुम्हारा बहुत नेटवर्क इशू
हो रहा है। वो दिन सैटरडे है या फिर जब ये बॉन्ड साइन हुआ था उस दिन सैटरडे?
नहीं, उस जिस दिन ने ये बॉन्ड की बात की थी, जिस दिन इसने बॉन्ड की बात की थी, ये मेंशन क्लियरली नहीं कि बॉन्ड की बातें सैटरडे को हुई थी, लेकिन वो ये कहना चाह रहा है जज को कि मैंने सैटरडे वाले दिन ये कसम खाई थी कि मुझे अगर अपनी पेनाल्टी अगर वो नहीं देता तो मुझे उसका वो बॉन्ड ऑफ फ्लेश लेना ही लेना है। वो दैट इज डे इज नॉट अनाउंस्ड। प्ले के अकॉर्डिंगली मतलब वो ये अपने आप को डिफेंड, ही इज ट्राइंग टू डिफेंड हिमसेल्फ फॉर हिज बॉन्ड कि मैंने कसम खाई है तो मुझे ये चाहिए ही चाहिए। ठीक है,
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Ayusha, due to very poor network I couldn't listen to him. Line number 30. हाँ, now to press a royal merchant down. Is this the line you want? Enoy means enough. Enoy means enough. बहुत हो गया, मतलब already the Duke is asking Shylock कि बस करो, हो गया, मतलब ऑलरेडी वो इतने ज्यादा लॉस में जा चुका है, इज टोटली अ बैंकक्रप्ट, उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा है, नथिंग इज लेफ्ट, ओनली इज लेफ्ट इज हिज लाइफ व्हिच यू आर वांट। तो उसकी लाइफ लेके तुम्हारा तो प्रॉफिट होगा नहीं, तुम पैसे की जगह डबल अमाउंट लो या वो पैसा लो तो आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर टेकिंग द पेनाल्टी, बट अ पर्सन इज ऑलरेडी अ बैंकक्रप्ट and still is ready to pay you, but still you want his life. So he says, and now to press a royal merchant down. Means बहुत हुआ एक royal merchant को जो कि मतलब, और this royal merchant is already means he has given up. वो तुमको वो भी देने के लिए तैयार है, तो enough है being a cruel to a person who is such a loyal and royal person. Getting my point? So this means this. In order to press a royal merchant down and pluck commercialization of his fate. ठीक है? Ayusha is okay? पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया। Anyways, so no other question. Shall I move poetry से? एक चैप्टर आपका प्रोज से है और एक चैप्टर आपका merchant of Venice से। तो आपके जो मार्क्स डिवीजन होगा वो अराउंड 15 मार्क्स, 15 और 8 ऐसे करके डिवीजन होगा। अराउंड 30 में वो डिवाइड किया जाएगा, तो मे बी यू विल बी गेटिंग more questions from merchant of Venice. So be very careful, and if you are not getting if you are not understanding, please raise your hand and ask then and there, or clear your doubts. Okay? Now moving towards 113, Shylock says that Shylock's answered the Duke that he has just promised on the holy day that he is going to have his penalty of that is 1 pound of flesh, and he is stubborn to take it. He is adamant to take it. He is going to take. If you deny, let a danger light. Means if you deny and if you don't give, let the danger light. And light means fall upon your charter. Your charter means and your city's freedom. Charter in your field means अगर आप इस law को as a duke, if you are not allowing me to follow the law, तो it's आपकी law Venice की जो ट्रांजैक्शन वहाँ पे होता है बिजनेस पे, एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है। इट्स अ क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन देयर क्रेडिबिलिटी कि मतलब यहाँ पे जो पेपर में जो बॉन्ड साइन होता है वो उस बॉन्ड को फॉलो नहीं किया जाता है, नोबडी इज डैम केयर अबाउट दैट बॉन्ड। सो ही जस्ट गिव्स अ क्वेश्चन मार्क टू द ड्यूक कि मतलब अगर आप ये बॉन्ड फॉलो नहीं करने देते हैं या आप मुझे चेंज करने को कह रहे हैं, इट्स जस्ट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क। मीन्स वेनिस के ऊपर ट्रेडिशन पे क्वेश्चन मार्क लगेगा उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी पे कि व्हाट दे डू they don't follow. So you will ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. So now here he says that there will be a question on the credibility, a weight of carrion flesh. Carrion means rotten. You will ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. अगर आप मुझे कहते carrion means rotten, please write it down. Carrion means is rotten is already written there. A weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. अगर आप मुझे change करने को कह रहे हैं कि मैं ये flesh ना लूँ और 3,000 ducats लूँ, मतलब कि I am not following the bond which is already written. बिकॉज वहाँ पे जो बॉन्ड साइन हुआ था वो रिटन में साइन हुआ था, तो वो कहता है कि अगर रिटन बॉन्ड को हम फॉलो नहीं करते तो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑन द वेनिशियंस ट्रेड. So he says this, and then I will not answer that but say is my humor. It is answered. And then कि और मैं अपने आप को नहीं बदलने वाला. It is my mood. I like it. I want it. I'm not going to change. Hope I have given you the answer of your whatever you are explaining me. मैंने आपको आंसर दे दिया है कि मुझे वही चाहिए. Humor here stands for his wish. उसकी इच्छा है, उसे मजा आएगा. Humor means उसे मजा आएगा पैसे की जगह उसका फ्लैश लेना, मुझे मजा आएगा. So I will take and I hope I have answered your question. Because Duke ने last में बोला तो we all expect a gentle answer. So here he says that this is the answer of your question जो आपने मुझसे पूछा. ठीक है, it is answered. What if my house be troubled? And then he gave more explanation. What if my house be troubled with a rat and I be pleased to give 10,000 ducats to have it banned? अगर किसी के घर में then he started giving examples. What about किसी घर में चूहे होते, लोग पैसा खर्च करते हैं और उन चूहों को मारने वाली दवा खरीदते हैं या लोगों को बुलाते हैं. Whatever they do to just get rid of rat. तो उसको तो कोई गलत नहीं मानता. Then he says, what are you answered yet? आप क्या करेंगे अगर आपके घर में चूहे होंगे, तो क्या आप चूहे मारने वाली दवाई नहीं लाएंगे या आप चूहे मारने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे? मतलब जो चीज आपको ट्रबल कर रही है, the rat which is troubling you or anyone. तो ही asked the question, जो रैट आपको ट्रबल कर रहा है आपके घर में, तो क्या आप उसे मारेंगे नहीं या उसे भगाएंगे नहीं? तो वो ये ड्यूक को कहता है. So what if my house traveled with rat and I pleased to give 10,000 ducats to have it banned? What are you answered yet? अब आपको आंसर मिला. Did you get my answer? मतलब कि I am ready to have that pound of flesh from him. Some men there are love not a gaping pig. कुछ लोग जो होते हैं कि they don't, some of them are very means they can't stop, they wanted to have pig. कोई देखकर अपने आप को pig देख कर रोक नहीं पाता. कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे वेनिस में लोग pigs खाते हैं, मतलब people used to eat roasted pigs. So some of them gaping pigs, कभी कभी उसमें उनके जो pig roast करते हैं वो pig का मुंह खुला हुआ roast करते हैं. So some of them means he is giving an example. Some men there are love not a gaping pig. उनका बहुत पैशनेट होते हैं वो जो पिग का मुंह खुला रहता है और उसको रोस्ट करते हैं, तो दे लव ईटिंग दोस पिग्स. तो वो क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? वो भी तो किसी की जान लेकर अपने आप को एंजॉय करना है. Some that are mad if they are behold a cat. Some कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे कैट्स को पाले जाते हैं, they cannot behold it. They love cats so much. एक ऐसा डोमेस्टिक एनिमल जिसको बहुत लोग प्यार करते हैं, तो वो उसको रखते हैं अपने घर में. If mad if they behold a cat, and others when the bagpiper sings, I the nose cannot contain themselves. And then he gives मतलब, और जैसे कि कुछ लोग होते गेपिंग पिग्स को देखकर अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते, कुछ लोग कैट्स को देखकर अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते. Bagpipe is an instrument which is blown for music. तो जब आप उसको बजाते हैं, दिस इज अ लिटिल ह्यूमर एडेड ओवर हियर, जब आप उसको बजाते हैं तो यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप यूरिनेटिंग. कभी कहते हैं ना बहुत जोर से अगर बजाओ तो इट्स यूरिनेट, तो पीपल कांट कंट्रोल इट. तो ये सारी चीजें जब लोग नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते, उसका उनका अपना लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स है. तो व्हाई नॉट माइंड? मेरा भी यही ह्यूमर है, मेरा भी यही लाइक दैट आई वांट instead of that thousands of ducats I need his flesh. जिस तरह से लोग अपने आप को gaping pig को देख के अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते, they are not able to control themselves, they are not able to control themselves when they see a cat, and when they are not able to control urinating while playing a bagpipe, simply I cannot control myself, I need the pound of flesh. So here says, another when the bagpipe sings, I the nose cannot contain themselves for affection, mistress of passion sways it to the mood of what it likes or loathes. So जैसे कि ये मिस्ट्रेस ऑफ पैशन मीन्स लोगों का पैशन होता है. गेपिंग फिश गेपिंग पिग्स को देखना, कैट्स को देखना, बाइक पाइपिंग पे जो अपनी म्यूजिक को रोकने को नहीं, दे कांट स्टॉप देमसेल्व्स. उसी तरह से हर किसी का अलग अलग पैशन है. तो मेरा भी यही पैशन है, एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू leave my bond. I'm not going to leave the penalty of my bond, or neither I'm going to change the my mood from not taking the bond of flesh. So he give all these excuses to the Duke, so for not changing his mind. वो अपने आप को इन सारे तरीकों से डिफेंड करता, मीन्स इज वेरी एडमेंट एंड ही गिव लॉट ऑफ एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर हिज चॉइस. ठीक है. एंड इन द मूड ऑफ व्हाट इट लाइक्स और लोथ्स, लाइक और लोथ्स हियर स्टैंड्स फॉर डिसलाइक, likes and dislike. Now for your answer, I hope I am complete with my answer. Again he says कि अब शायद आपको मेरे सवाल का, आपके सवाल का जवाब आपको मिल गया. And there is no firm reason to be rendered, and there is no reason of likes. जैसे कि लोगों का इस तरह से रोस्टेड पिग को देखना, अपने आप को कंट्रोल ना कर पाना, कैट्स को देख के अपने आप को कंट्रोल ना कर पाना, बैक पाइप को बजाते समय अपने आप को कंट्रोल ना कर पाना, उनका अपना पैशन है. उसी तरह से मेरा भी है, मैं नहीं अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर सकता. And he gives all these reasons to be rendered why he cannot abide a gaping pig, why he is harm. तो आप लोग कोई लोग तो इससे कोई, nobody comes and put up, abide means put up with. कोई आके क्वेश्चन तो नहीं पूछता है कि why he cannot abide a gaping pig, क्यों नहीं he cannot put up with the gaping pig, why he a harmless necessary, why is a harmless necessary cat, क्यों cat को देखकर लोगों को वो लग रहा है. ठीक है. Why he a woolen bagpipe but of force must yield so much inevitable shame. तो जब ये सब चीजें करने में there is no shame, इसको करने में लोगों को कोई shame नहीं है, तो why should I be shameful for all my acts? Must yield at such inevitable shame and to offend himself being offended. And why should I compelled to react in such a shame? मुझे क्यों कहा जा रहा है कि मैं जब ये सब करते वक्त लोगों को नहीं आते कि किसके if they cannot stop with the gaping fish, they cannot stop themselves with the cat, they cannot stop with the killing the rats. So why people are after me and why people are compelling me to change my bond? Why they wanted to change me? So he is questioning the Jew. So line number 60 I am reading. So can I give no reason nor I will not. So I cannot give any reasons for my like that I want his flesh, nor I am interested in giving out the reasons. अगर मुझे कंपेल किया जा रहा है तो ये सब भी चीजें लोग अपने आप को बताएं, क्यों नहीं लोग ऐसा कर पाते, तो मुझसे क्यों कहा जा रहा है, why people are saying me to change my finality, to change my bond. See, I'm reading out line number 60. So can I give no reason nor I will not. So I'm not answerable to any of them, and I'm not going to give any of the reasons. So more than a lodge, hate and certain loathing. Lodge means here deep rooted hate. He say more than मेरे लिए as a deep rooted hate and certain loathing means hatred. I bear Antonio, मतलब मेरे दिल में एंटोनियो के लिए जिस तरह से लोगों को इस तरह, मतलब कैट्स को देख के नहीं अपने आप कंट्रोल कर सकते, या गेपिंग पिग को देख के नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाते, या अगर उनके घर में रैट अटैक करती है तो जिस तरह का हेट्रेड फीलिंग और जिस तरह का लव फीलिंग आता है, विच कैनॉट बी कंट्रोल्ड, these emotions cannot be controlled. तो उसी तरह से my hatred cannot be controlled. मेरे लिए मन में जो एंटोनियो के लिए नफरत है, that cannot be controlled. So he says more than a lodge hate. Lodge hate means deep rooted hate and certain loathing. Loathing means again hatred. तो जो मेरे अंदर घृणा और मेरे लिए जो नफरत एंटोनियो के लिए, that cannot be changed. वो नहीं रुक सकती, वो नहीं बदल सकती है. I bear Antonio that I follow thus. A losing suit against him. So and losing suit means I have just filed a legal case. मैंने कोई इलीगल काम नहीं किया, मैंने इलीगल केस फाइल किया है जिसमें बॉन्ड में साफ लिखा है कि if he is not able to give me 3000 ducats back, he is going to give me a pound of flesh. So here he says a losing suit against him means it is a legal case which is against him that he has to give. Are you answered? फिर again he asks, are you answered? Are you satisfied with the answers? He says all this to you, right? Then comes Bassanio. This is no answer though unfeeling man. He said this is not a satisfactory answer. You are a heartless man on account of your merciless action. This is no answer means this is not a satisfactory answer. मतलब तुमको जो बोला गया है वो इन जो डिफेंडिंग पॉइंट्स तुमने बताए हैं वो कहीं से भी लॉजिकल नहीं है. So this is not a satisfactory answer. But simple, you are a heartless person on to excuse the current of thy cruelty. You are a heartless person and you are showing your merciless action. That's it. तुम बस merciless action दिखा रहे हो और ये कोई justification नहीं. There is no justification of your revenge. There is no justification of your revenge. This said by wait Manaswin. So this is what Bassanio says to Shylock. Then Shylock in response to say to Bassanio, I am not bound to please thee with my answer. He said, I am not obliged to answer you and to satisfy you. मेरे को जो कहना था मैंने कह दिया. I am not standing over here to oblige you or to give you a satisfactory answer. So he says it, I am not obliged to give you a satisfactory answer in order to please you. So I am not bound to please thee with my answer. Please write it down. He said, I am not obliged to give you a satisfactory answer in order to please you. मुझे तुम्हें खुश करने के लिए, he says, मुझे तुम्हें खुश करने के लिए, तुम्हें oblige करने के लिए मुझे कोई satisfactory answer नहीं देना. I am not answerable to you. He says this. Then Bassanio says, do all men kill the things they don't love? So there are many other things which people don't like. So do they kill everything? He says this to Shylock. Now Manaswin. Manaswin has to ask anything.
Did Shylock told any reason from the Antonio's body from which part he will take up 1 pound of
नहीं,
flesh?
अभी तक ऐसा कुछ नहीं. कहीं से भी निकालेगा. पाउंड ऑफ फ्लेश कहाँ मिलेगा उसको? या तो उसके हार्ट पे मिलेगा या तो उसके पेट स्टमक में मिलेगा. कहीं से भी मिलेगा पाउंड ऑफ फ्लेश. दिस इज नॉट मेंशन्ड. कहीं से भी पाउंड ऑफ फ्लेश मींस मतलब जितना भी फ्लेश होगा तो ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई बॉडी का कोई भी हिस्सा पाउंड ऑफ फ्लेश कटेगा तो फिर तो वो एक्सेसिव ब्लीडिंग से वो बंदा मर ही जाएगा. तो ये अभी कुछ मेंशन नहीं. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इनफॉर्मल डिस्कशन चल रहा है जिसको कहते हैं आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट. तो चाह रहे थे कि इससे पहले कि सारे लॉयर्स आकर एक दूसरे को डिफेंड करें और एक दूसरे को लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स करें, वो आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट्स दे वर ट्राइंग टू हैव एन आउट कोर्ट सेटलमेंट. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे वो डिस्कशन चल रहा है. इज इट ओके Manaswin?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone need to ask anything from page number 113 or shall I move forward? Okay, nobody has to ask. Okay, now Bassanio says this. So do all men kill the things they do not love? He asks that कि क्या लोग जो किसी को पसंद नहीं करते तो क्या उसको मार ही देते? If you don't like something, so it's necessary that you will kill that person or kill that thing. Shylock says, hates any man the thing he would not kill. Is there any man who does not kill something that he truly hates? क्या कोई ऐसा बता दो जो किसी चीज को ना पसंद करता हो, hate करता हो और उसको मारे ना? For an example, like cats, like example cockroaches. So people hate these kind of things, so they kill. तो वो कहता है कि कोई रीजन तो नहीं, हेट करने का मतलब ये तो नहीं है. Bassanio से हेट करने का मतलब ये तो नहीं कि मार दिया जाए. तो ही सेज, अच्छा बता दो ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिससे तुम हेट करते हो और मारते नहीं. तो ही गिव्स एन response to Bassanio. Then Bassanio again says, every offense is not a hate at first. So every offense means every fault is not a hate from the very beginning. कोई भी चीज अगर होती है तो वो पहले टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं होता कि इतनी हेट्रेड हो जाती है कि उसे किल कर दिया जाए. Then Shylock says, what wouldst thou have a serpent sting thee twice? He says, would you allow a snake to just sting you twice? Would you allow a snake to sting you twice? So he gives this answer to Bassanio. Then enters as Antonio interferes their discussion. I pray you, think you question with the Jew. So he says, I pray you means stop. He says, remember Bassanio, you are arguing with the Jew. Antonio in response, there is no use of arguing with Jew. You are unnecessarily just arguing with him. You may as well go stand upon the beach and bid the main flood bait his usual height. मतलब you are arguing with a Jew. तुम इससे argue करने से अच्छा अगर तुम कहीं if you go near the अगर तुम sea shore के पास खड़े हो जाओ और tidal waves से कहो कि अपनी waves को छोटी कर दे, तो वो एक बार तुम कर सकते हो. You may as well go stand upon the beach and bid the main flood. Bid the main flood means ocean tide. Bid यानी request. Bid the main flood bait his usual height. मतलब जितनी ऊंचाई से वो अपने waves को निकाल रहे हैं, you can tell him to shorten his height. You can ask an ocean wave to shorten its height. You may as well as use question with the wolf, why he hath made the ewe bleat for the lamb. And you can also go and ask a wolf that why he had eaten a lamb and made the mother to leave crying. तुम एक wolf से भी ये question पूछ सकते हो कि उसने why did he kill a lamb and left the mother to cry. ठीक है, hath means has killed, made the ewe bleed. Ewe bleed means lamb. For the ewe means lamb mother. You bleed for the lamb. You may as well forbid the mountain pines. Forbid means again tell. You may as well forbid tell the mountain pines. तुम जो वो पाइन ट्रीज होती हैं तुम उनके पास जाकर उनसे कह सकते हो कि जो हवाएं चल रही हैं स्टॉर्म्स में उससे जो पत्तों की जो लड़ रहे हैं आपस में पत्ते उससे आवाज ना हो. You may as well as forbid the mountain pines to wag their high tops and to make no noise. मतलब उनके पत्ते जब शीशोर पे बहुत तेज हवा चलती तो पाइन्स ट्रीज के जो पत्ते होते हैं वो आपस में बहुत आवाज करते हैं. By they struck each other and they make lot of noise. तो वो कहता है कि तुम एक बार जाके ओशन के पास खड़े होकर ये कह सकते हो कि shorten your wave. तुम एक बार वुल्फ के पास जाके पूछ सकते हो कि why have you eaten a lamb and made the mother cry. You can ask the pine trees not to make noise when there is a strong wind blowing. So you to wag their high tops and to make no noise when they are threatened. Threatened means blown with the gust of heaven. Means gust of heaven means gust of a storm. मतलब ये तुम ये काम कर सकते हो. You may as well as do anything most hard. मतलब इससे भी difficult काम तुम कर सकते हो. You can do as seek to soften that. मतलब इन ऐसी चीजों को जो जिस पे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं तुम एक बार उनको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. बट यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल अ जीव. मतलब तुम एक जीव को नहीं बदल सकते. as seek to soften that and then which what's harder. But लेकिन these things are easier than make a Jew soft by his heart. मतलब उसके दिल को पिघलाने से ज़्यादा आसान ये काम है. उसके दिल को पिघलाने से या उसके दिल में मर्सी लाने से ज़्यादा आसान काम ये है कि if you go near a beach and tell these tidal waves to shorten their length, you can instead of this you can go to a wolf and ask a question to a wolf that why he had eaten a lamb and leaving the mother crying behind. You can ask the pine trees to not to make fluttering sound when the gust of wind is blown. So these are the easiest job rather than making a person, a stony person, soften. You can not make a stony hard person soft. So this is all what he says. This is all being said by Antonio. Now his Jewish heart, therefore I do beseech you. So he said this, you cannot soften this Jewish heart. I beseech you means I am begging you. Please do not do that. आप तुम इन सब के बजाय अगर ये सब काम करोगे तो वो शायद कर सकते हो लेकिन you cannot soften a Jewish heart. You cannot do that. Make no more offers. Use no further means. Don't make any offers. कुछ मत बोलो उसको. Don't look for any other way to stop him. कुछ मत करो. Don't do anything. Don't try to stop him. Let me have judgment and the Jew is will. Let me just receive the punishment and let the Jew take his penalty. Means Antonio चारों तरफ से he was totally depressed and suppressed that he is going to lose his life क्योंकि अब उसे कोई चीज नहीं बचा सकती because he totally in the favor to follow the law. For him law is the law. Means law है I have signed the bond so I have to pay the penalty whatever the penalty is. So I am ready calmly and quietly ready to give the penalty. So don't make any of the prayers to this Jewish to soften his heart. ठीक है. Bassanio, for thy 3,000 ducat here is 6. Then again he offers कि ठीक है I'm paying you 6,000 ducats. अब तो मान जाओ, change your mind. Shylock, if you offer me 6 times, if ever ducats in 6,000 ducats wherein 6 parts means उस 6,000 ducats को तुम 6 times भी double कर दोगे, 6 times भी multiply करोगे, I'm not ready to take. And every part a ducat, I would not draw them, I would have my bond. उसने कहा अगर तुम उसको 6,000 ducats को if you multiply with 6, मतलब 6 times भी अगर उसको कर दोगे तो भी I will be stick to my bond. मुझे वही चाहिए, मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. तुम उसको 6 times उस 3,000 ducats को 6,000 को तुम 6 times double करो. But still I will not take a single part of that money. I need my bond. Says I need that bond. So shall I move forward to the next page, or shall I stop here because already it's 6:50? What do I say? Raise your hand. What do you want? I do beseech means I'm begging you. Great pains to qualify. This is said by Antonio. The first question stands here. Where does this scene take place? It takes place in Venice, a court of justice. Okay, this is the first answer. Where does this scene take place? It's Venice, a court of justice. What has the Duke said before this extract about the hard-hearted adversary? Is this question is same? Please raise your hand. Is the question same in your book? Okay. Now, what has the Duke said before this extract about a hard-hearted adversary? Before this extract, the Duke has described the hard-hearted adversary as an inhuman. Write it down. Take the answer from the question. Before this extract about the hard-hearted adversary as an inhuman wrench, without pity, totally lacking in mercy. This is what Duke said. That it is totally a inhuman wrench without pity, totally lacking in mercy. Moving to the second, what rigorous course is referred to in the extract? What is rigorous course? Rigorous course is referred to in extract is the demand for the pound of flesh from Antonio. Is the demand of flesh. Rigorous course is referred to in the extract is the demand for the pound of flesh from Antonio's body by Shylock as the penalty. I'm repeating, is the demand for the pound of flesh from Antonio's body by Shylock. Rigorous course is referred to in the extract is the demand for the pound of flesh from Antonio's body by Shylock as the penalty. Then why does Antonio say that no lawful means can carry him out of his enemy's reach? So, right, as Shylock was adamant, he was obstinate, he was not ready to change his mind, neither his heart. So he says, Antonio says that no lawful means can save me, means there is no other law, full of law cannot change, cannot save me from my enemy. So why does Antonio say that no lawful means can carry him out of his enemy's reach? Because Shylock was totally obstinate, or Shylock was totally adamant, he was not ready to change his mind. So he says that there is no lawful can carry him out of his enemy's hand. He cannot be saved by any means. Then give the meaning of I do oppose my patience to his fury. I do oppose means I shall suffer his cruelty and anger with patience. My patience is to his fury means I shall suffer his cruelty and anger with patience. Please pay attention. Those who are leaving the group, they will again start asking questions and retest me or isme, usme, then I'm keeping the record. Don't worry. Okay, armed, oblique to suffer. Is this a question, your question and my question are same or different? Maybe the numbering would be different, but I hope is same. Okay. Because chat box option is closed, so it's very difficult to communicate. And this chat box is not I am prepared to face this cruelty and anger with a calm spirit. Armed means prepared. Yeah, to suffer. I am prepared to face this cruelty and anger with a calm spirit. This is the answer. Leaving with 4 and 5 because it's already 6:58. Abruptly meeting बंद हो जाएगी. So till date, अगर आपको जहाँ तक समझ में आया है, boys, if you have any doubt, I will change this setting. But please, again, I'm telling you, don't make the platform for your personal chatting. कोई कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, प्लीज ओपन अप एंड कीप ऑन आस्किंग. Rather than disturbing after test and retest, is better you disturb me right now by asking. बाद में कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो start arguing, नहीं मैम ये नहीं था, नहीं मैम वो नहीं था, तो you people don't attend, and then when few of them are very stubborn what you have written. ऐसी बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो टीचर एक्स्ट्रा आपको बताती है, not in English but lots of things are there, and when we put up the questions related to what we have taught, some of you are very stubborn, नहीं हम ये book में नहीं लिखा था. So there are a lot of things which is not written in the book which has been told by the teacher, and then it will be asked by the teacher, so be careful for that. Anyway, shall I switch off the meeting? Please raise your hand. उसके लिए तो मैं I hope सभी का हाथ ऊपर आना चाहिए.